Hello guys, today I will show you how to unlock the speed limits for Model E10 Pro. As you see, now the scooter is on. We can see the speed is, look, now the speed is 25. This is the factory default setting, 25. Now I will show you step by step how to unlock. First, must power off. Okay, power off. Then step 2, hold the brake like this and turn it on. Remember, you only have 5 seconds. Must be quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you hear the 5 beeps, right? It's working. You see the E3. Okay, and you hear the beeps. Now it's you made it. Let's see the speed. Speed is just now it was 25. Now it's 40 km per hour. And now I show you how to go back to 25. Power off first. And hold the brake and power on. You can see the E3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Must be quick. Okay, it's done. Because you hear the beep, it means it was successful. Now let's check the speed. Good. It's go back to 25 km per hour. But remember now, there are some. It's very tricky. Let me tell you again slowly. Some people cannot make it down because they do something wrong. Let me explain to you. First, turn off the scooter. This is easy. Okay. Now the trick thing is you must hold the brake like this and power on. Before you power on, you must make sure the brake is like this. The brake is on hold, and then power on the scooter. You must see the E3. You only have 5 seconds. Okay, just now we already spent 5 seconds. It's already done. It's too late. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No beeps. It means it fails. Wait, it fails. Let's see the speed. 25, not changed. Why? Because you are too slow. How can I do? Let me do again. I must. Okay. Now, step 1, we hold the brake and then turn it on the scooter. Okay, you can see the E3. You only have 5 seconds after turn it on. 5 seconds, remember. After 5 seconds, it's too late. 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? No matter how many not working. Why? No beeps, it means you failed. It's too late because you spent too much time. Let's do again. Power off. Okay, hold the brake and power on. Remember, only 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can hear beep, 2 beeps. It means you succeed. Good. That's it. Try it, please. You can check the speed like this way. You see the speed is 40. It means it's successful. Must be like this. Thank you.